In this video, I'll show you how to use the perpendicular method. Hello everyone and welcome to another video of EGD Online. In this video, I'll show you how to use the perpendicular method. For the purpose of this video, I will use the given line AB and draw a perpendicular line on point C. Please note that I do use a blue pen to show my construction lines. First, I will take my compass and place it on point C and construct 2 points on line AB. These 2 points must be the same distance from C. Next, I will take my compass and use the 2 new points and apply the middle point method. After applying my middle point method, I can now successfully go draw my perpendicular line on point C. As for additional information, remember that a perpendicular line is a line that creates a 90-degree angle on the given line. Thanks for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, remember to hit that like button. For future content and videos, remember to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to the channel. And for something more gaming related, I also stream to Twitch. The link to that will be in the description below.